Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the 2017 GMC Acadia Denali. This Denali is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior of the Denali Acadia, power windows, mirrors, locks, and memory seating, as well as your power adjustable trunk, electronic parking brake there as well, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning and cruise control. This Acadia does have 77,903 kilometers on the odometer. Push-button ignition, a large touchscreen up front for your navigation as well as rear climate control and phone connectivity there. Dual zone climate control up front with heated and ventilated seating. Automatic shifter knob. You have your 4x4 dial, two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, 4x4, sport mode, off-road and trailer mode, parking sensors and lane keep assist there as well. Two-tone interior. We got the chocolate leather up top and the light on the bottom. Bose speakers all the way throughout the Denali, and taking a look at those beautiful light leather seats with Denali in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Acadia Denali, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Firestone Destination LE tires on the rim. Color match door handles with chrome accents, keyless entry, blind spot detection, and remote start all equipped. Coming to the front of the Acadia Denali, we have the chrome front grille, GMC badging, parking sensors, fog lights, and a camera system. Making our way to the back of the vehicle, rear tinted privacy windows and running rails over top, LED tail lamps, parking sensors, dual chrome exhaust tips, and a power tailgate to wrap up the rear. Jumping into the interior of the vehicle here, we have the beautiful leather captain's chairs, both heated as well as car seat ready. We have our USB ports, an outlet. We have our 3-stage heated seat controls and rear climate. Over top, dual sunroofs as well, independent of each other. Quick fold down seats out of the way, giving us access to our third row. A 50-50 leather split as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the 2017 GMC Acadia Denali. If this is your next all-wheel drive, 6-passenger SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City. Shop online at gslgmcity.com.